Hello and welcome to the FuturesTechs website. You've clearly obviously logged in by now, so that's the first thing out of the way. What we're going to do with this video is walk you through the various things that are on the website, the functionalities that we've got on here, show you, talk you through one of the reports and give you an idea of the service that you've basically signed up to look at, which is daily market commentary on 28 different markets using technical analysis. We've been doing this for 10 years. We've been selling it to professional traders during that whole time, and it is used by them every single day. They receive the reports by email. This is a slightly different way to deliver the reports, which means we can bring it to you for a much better price and can take it out to a much wider audience. So as I say, my name is Clive Lambert. I've been in the markets for 20 years, and for the last 10 years have ran FuturesTechs, and I'm the main contributor to the morning reports that we produce. So this is the website. You are in the members area. You've used your username and password to log in up here. Whenever you need to get back to the members area, you will see there's a button there that says members area, so you can click on that to get back to here if you navigate away from it at any point. The thing the main bulk of the product is the reports down here on the right hand side, and we've got every single different market there. The date is next to the particular market, and that tells you that it's today's report, or if it's yesterday's date, we haven't written the report and updated it on the website yet. You'll get used to the times that the various reports are posted on the website, but usually we try and get things out as soon as possible, and in most markets in the European time zone it will be before they open first thing in the morning. So let's click on a report, let's click on the gold report and have a look at that and see what you get and what you are what you're looking for. That was off on another screen, so now it's on our screen here. What we got here is a daily candlestick chart. That's usually what you'll get there, unless we've got something that we're highlighting on a different chart. That's got our lines on it, our annotations, the things that we're keeping an eye on, and that will quite often match up with what we're saying down here. This is the commentary. This is where we are talking about our views of the market, what's gone on the previous day, and what that means for today. And we're, as I say, purely looking at technical analysis. Here we have, it says R1, R2, R3 up to 7, and then S1, S2 down to S7, which is the support and resistance levels. This is the important areas where buying and selling has gone on in the past, could go on again today. It's the areas where you should be looking to put your trades on, or putting stops below. They are the trading levels. The support and resistance levels are what you need to be using, referencing for your trading. The other thing that we've added here, which is exclusive to us, is this thing here called the skew bar. Now the skew bar is just a blob of ink that is got different colours attached to it, depending on whether the market at these particular prices is bullish, bearish or neutral. If the market is bullish, if we think that if the technical outlook is saying to us this is going up, then we will be, that's the situation when it's in the green zone like this. In the grey zone, the technical outlook is uncertain, and we wouldn't suggest putting on really strong directional positions. In the red zone, the bears are in charge, the sellers are dominating, the market is will go down, more likely go down when we are in the red zone. So keeping an eye on the skew bar is a useful thing when you open the reports on each day, and that's been very well received by our clients. It's a fairly new innovation for our website. Up here on the top right hand corner of the reports is our automated levels. These are spat out by the computer. These ones down here aren't. These are our human input, our own analysis, our analysis of the charts each day. But up here on the top right, what we call the automated levels are things like pivot points, market profile levels, moving average levels. If you don't understand what I just said, there's tutorials on the website to explain all this terminology. But these are spat out by the computer. Some people use these. We don't necessarily subscribe to some of these methodologies, but people use them. So we've given you the tools, we've given you those levels that those particular things spit out and that people may be looking at. So you can try and combine that with this and use it however you want to use it. So that's what a report looks like, and as I say, if we can just close that down, we can see on the right hand bar here we have all of the reports that we produce, and you can click on any of those at any time. They're the same reports as the pros get. The only difference is professional traders get them by email, they're able to print them out, have them on their desk. You'll find you can't print these out. That's how we're able to offer this to you for a far more competitive price and keep our traditional client base happy. Over here is this general area here is where we will put things that this is worth keeping an eye on, and one of the things we put on here regularly is the members levels sheet. So if we click on that, we will open a new window that shows, and this is I think it's a 5-page report, and we'll go through each of those 5 pages. This is the front page. What happened in the US overnight? What happened in Asia overnight? A quick commentary on, we usually just put something about the FTSE on there. Over here, the figures that are coming out today. UK, US, Europe, what important numbers, economic numbers are coming out today, provided by our Squawk partners, First Call Market Squawk. The second page of this report is the second and third page, leading UK shares and automated levels for those markets. We know that a lot of our retail clients who are using the website trade things like RBS and Rios and those kind of things, so there's some levels there for you if you're looking at those markets. If we scroll to the next page, we've got commodity markets. A lot of our clients are looking at we've got the oil and the gold on the main reports, but some people are looking at palladium and cocoa, things like that, so there's some levels for those sort of markets there. And the 5th page of this report, again, levels, pivot point levels, moving average levels, etc. on another 10 or 12 forex crosses. So in all you get 28 markets, the actual reports, and then another 45 or 50 markets on this report here. So we'll just close that down for a minute and go back to the members area. You can print that particular report out as it goes. In the members area there are other things. There's articles, there's a whole heap of articles here. There's a recommended reading list. If we go further down, scroll on the page, we've got report tutorials, which is very, it's a bit similar to what we're doing here with the video. Members links down here has things like frequently asked questions, a glossary of terms. There's lots of, we're constantly building up and making it a richer and richer resource. The blog directory points you to blogs that we've written. A lot of our blogs are tutorials on technical analysis methodologies, so that is a member's resource to help you to find the things there. We write book reviews, we have got the index components, there's lots and lots of things, and we're always interested to hear what you would like added to the website if it's something we can do. And as far as feedback is concerned, we do value your feedback and your thoughts, and so there's the contact us link there. Please feel free to use that if they've got any questions, or call in. The number's at the top of the website to call in, and if you want to speak to one of our people. We hope that you enjoy the service. We hope that you get the value out of it that our professional clients have done over the last 10 years, and you see the value that you can get from this service. So thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you soon.